Sun goes up, up, up and around, waking up and tumbling down. Hey, how are you? How have you been? Same old, just losing skin. Trying hard to hold it in. The side in me is down again. Wondering if he lost some friends. Wondering if it's worth giving a damn about the things that have been crammed. I, oh I, this poor little me, wondering how different life would be. If this, if that, and all there is, imagining things that never fits. Then he dwells on possibilities of worlds apart, improbable things, waiting as if the world gives a damn about a boy without a lamp. If only did he understand, the spirit chooses the way chooses the man. Nobody owes him, he just can't see that life becomes what one makes of it.